Kids channel Pingo Kids. Like and subscribe.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A is for alpaca. B is for bats. C is for cat. D is for deer. E is for eel. F is for frog. G is for goose. H is for hermit crab. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for koala. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for narwhal. O is for otter. P is for polar bear. Q is for quail. R is for rooster. S is for shark. T is for turtle. U is for urchin. V is for vulture. W is for